So here's how to post songs on Instagram story. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your account. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom. Now here you have to simply click on the story option. Now you have to record a longer video of about 15 seconds. After recording the video, click on the stickers option at the top. Now from here you have to simply search for the music option, or you can simply click on the music icon at the top of the page. After that, select the song that you want to add to your story. Here you can also select the specific part of your song that you want to add to your story. After selecting your desired song, now click on the done option at the top right corner. Then click on the send option to post it onto your story, and now click on the share. Here click on the done. So that's how to add music onto your Instagram story.